What defines a fjord in terms of geography? Have you ever gazed at a stunning coastal view and wondered what makes a fjord so unique? Today, we are going to answer the question, what defines a fjord in terms of geography? A fjord is a long, narrow, and deep inlet of the sea that stretches for inland. These remarkable formations are bordered by steep cliffs or mountains, giving them a dramatic appearance. The key feature that sets fjords apart is that they occupy a U-shaped valley carved by glaciers. During periods of glaciation, glaciers moved through mountainous areas, grinding down the bedrock beneath them. When these glaciers retreated, the sea flooded the valleys they had carved, resulting in the fjords we admire today. One of the most striking characteristics of fjords is their length and narrowness. They can stretch 4/10 to hundreds of kilometers inland, making them much longer than they are wide. This is what distinguishes them from wider bays or inlets. Another defining aspect is the steep sides of the fjord. The valley walls are typically very steep or cliff-like, a direct result of the powerful erosion caused by the glaciers. This steepness adds to the fjord's dramatic landscape. Fjords are also notably deep, often reaching depths of hundreds to over 1,000 meters below sea level. The deepest parts are usually found in the middle or inner sections of the fjord, creating a striking contrast with the surrounding land. Unlike river valleys, which are typically V-shaped, fjords occupy U-shaped valleys formed by glacial movement. This unique shape is a key identifier of fjords and contributes to their stunning beauty. Many fjords have a shallow area near their mouth called a threshold or sill. This area is formed by sediment deposits or less glacial erosion and can affect how water exchanges with the open sea. In Scandinavia, especially in Norway, fjords are a prominent feature along the west coast. The landscape has been extensively shaped by past glaciations. For example, the Sognefjord extends over 200 kilometers inland and reaches depths exceeding 1,300 meters. The alignment of fjords often follows fracture systems in the bedrock, which guided the glacial erosion. Fjords typically form best in mountainous regions where glaciers can grow thick enough to carve deeply into the landscape. These areas often receive sufficient snowfall and experience westerly marine winds that contribute to glacier formation. As the glaciers retreated and sea levels rose, seawater filled the carved valleys, creating these stunning natural formations. Fjords have also played a significant role in human activities. Their deep waters allow ships to travel for inland, supporting fishing, trade, and tourism. The breathtaking landscapes created by fjords attract visitors from around the world and support local economies. So, the next time you see a fjord, remember that it is a deep, long, narrow sea inlet with steep sides, formed by glacial erosion of a U-shaped valley that was later flooded by the sea.